Having a hard time finding your notes? Are you tired of searching through stacks of paper every time you need to study? Don't worry, today I'll share some easy tips and hacks to organize your school notes like a pro. Tip number 1, use colorful binders. Assign a different color to each subject. This way, when you need your math notes, you can easily grab the red binder. It makes studying more fun too. Tip number 2, create a homework tracker. Use a small whiteboard to write down your assignments for the week. You can divide it into sections for each subject and check off assignments as you complete them. It's a great visual way to stay on top of your work. Tip number 3, create a table of contents. At the front of your notebook, list the topics you cover and the page. This way, you can quickly flip to the right section without wasting time. Tip number 4, portable file organizer. Use a portable file organizer and keep it in your backpack for all your loose papers. This keeps everything tidy and helps you find your important papers easily. Tip number 5, create a paper tab in your notebook. Want to learn how to make these incredible tabs in your notebook? Let's learn. Get your notebook to the page before the unit and take the bottom right corner and fold it into the middle. Then take the topmost right corner and fold it into the middle. Then write the unit or subject on the tab. Okay guys, so those are all the tips to help you guys stay organized in school. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this one. Bye!